Hoy ang NPA!
Mabuhay!
Hoy ang NPA!
Mabuhay!
Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago did not mince words Thursday when she called her rival Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte an official candidate of the New People's Army. Santiago believes Duterte apparently enjoys the support of the NPA leadership, particularly Communist Party of the Philippines founder Jose Maria Sison. The NPA is the armed wing of the CPP.
Has already been announced, if accurately, by the INC as their official candidate. But he is also accepted as the official candidate of the NPA. So we have an NPA candidate. Papayag ba ang CIA na sinasabing may relasyon sa asawa ni Crispo na mananalo itong mga komunista?
Santiago believes the alleged ties between Duterte and CPP would put the country in danger should the mayor win the elections.
It's very dangerous dahil pag hindi nakuha ng taong kamukha niyan ang kagustuhan niya, baka gagamit ng dahas. That they will go out in the streets with guns, firing at people who are not with them. There is no ideology involved here. It's all pure personality.
The senator adds this is the reason the CIA has been keenly observing the conduct of elections in the country.
I don't know how much money they've been given for these elections, but CIA always keeps a wary eye on Philippine elections.
Her advice to those who are still undecided on their candidate, they should pick someone who will not put the country at risk.
I'm saying that they should not vote for Duterte because they should vote for me.
Sinabi ko na sila in public in every meeting. I said, I'm a socialist. And though I am not a member of the Communist Party, but I am a socialist. And I belong to the left. Alam na ng mga tao, sir, sabi ko, this will be the first time in the history of our country na merong leftist na president. Walang masama sa left. We are more tolerant to the doubts of government.
Mahalaga na sa electoral campaign pa lang, ilagay ninyo sa agenda yung programa ng isang left president to be. At siyempre, kapag kayo ay nasa posisyon na mas marami kayong magagawa, maipapatupan ang inyong mission at vision.
Galit ako sa oligarch at pati mayayaman na they're getting the fat of the land. At yan ang problema niya sa ating. And they allow it. I wish you well, all the best to you, mga kasama natin dyan. And hopefully I will visit you before I will assume office. Kasi may the agenda.
Magaling. Buti po.
Kasi yung agenda sa...
Salamat tayo sa pagkakataon ito na magkausap tayo at maraming salamat sa prospect na hindi magtatagal, makita na tayo.
So, prepare the agenda para nandito na wala na masyadong debate or issues and so. Diyan ako natin nagawa yung agenda yung pagdating. Agenda ulit. Yun ang natutunan. Yun ang natutunan ko sa iyo, sir. Salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Sige, sir.
Pag-asa kong makauwi ako kapag panalo si Mayor Digong Duterte.
Hoy ang NPA!
Mabuhay!
Hoy ang NPA!
Mabuhay!
Sinasabi ko sa inyo, I'm left. I've always been left.